Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to another Spanish lesson. This week we are gonna talk about el tiempo. El tiempo, that's the weather.
In the next minute, you'll be challenged to make small talk about the weather. First, let's look at some examples.
Hace mucho viento.
Sí, ¿verdad?
Hace buen tiempo.
Sí, ¿verdad?
To talk about the weather, you can say
Hace
followed by a word that describes it. For good weather, you could say
buen tiempo.
for hot weather.
Hace calor.
Now let's practice with the characters. You meet Anna on a nice day. Talk to her about the weather.
Sí, ¿verdad?
You meet Oscar on a hot day. Talk to him about the weather.
Sí, ¿verdad?
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.